Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on Tecno Spark 10. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox. And now click search. And now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can customize your browser, but you don't have to do that. You can just scroll down and click start browsing. And now, as you can see, your Firefox browser works just like any other browser. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.